We'll start off this time.
Go for it.
Yeah, you want me to start
No.
off? What's up? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
It's Advanced Weekly Update time, and it's almost a new month. Today is the last day of August.
Oh my goodness, I can't even imagine, what's it going to be like? September's tomorrow. Are we ready?
I am. Fall
Oh,
is
yeah.
coming, and that's exciting. Cooler weather is on the way eventually. It may take a while,
Always
but
does.
we have a lot to talk about this week, and I don't think any of the topics are weather related, so let's stop talking about that. What are we talking about this week?
We are actually talking about something that is quite futuristic and very new in the ways it's being done now. 3D printed homes.
Wow, a 3D printed home.
Yeah.
It's pretty amazing to see the process of how all of this works out. But what about living in one? Would you want to live in a 3D printed home?
I think I would be willing to try it. The way that they make them is so fascinating. You'll read about it in the article with these gigantic machines. But the real advantage of 3D printed homes is that people, if there's some kind of environmental disaster, they'd be able to hopefully make homes very quickly. I would try it. I would live in one.
But how does it hold up? I mean, if it's made of paper, it's printed, so...
Well, that's the thing, man. They print it using some kind of concrete solution.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
right. Oh,
Yeah.
there we go.
There we
Has
go.
it right here in this
Bada
little
bing,
cool
bada boom.
infographic. Anyway, check out our innovation article for more about this, and that leads us to our question of the week, David.
That's right. Yeah, we want to know, would you ever live in a 3D printed home?
Would you ever live in a 3D printed home? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, you can even write into us at advanced@studioclassroom.com. That's advanced@studioclassroom.com. And let us know your thoughts about any topic, anytime. And hey, maybe your feedback will end up on our feedback page in the magazine.
See you guys next time.
Have a great week.